Yay guys, ziyabuya emculweni. Kuyakhala left, right and center ngapha, kuyakhala ngapha, kuyakhala the ones who have one boyfriend, the ones who are the only ones by their boyfriend, kuyakhala. The ones who are in a exchanging, kuyakhala. Hey, kubi. Listen to this video that Uterelo put up and I'll be back with the rest of my commentary.
Sengikhohliwe hayi
Asazi-ke if ugirl ubone kabi ukuthi yay ziyabuya, that she's better off in the relationship that she's in. You know what they said sometimes, guys? You know what they say sometimes, guys? That the grass is not always greener, kwamakhelwane. They say sometimes better the devil that you know than the one that you don't know. So angazi-ke uTirelo meke fake ivideo sona if she's saying ukuthi yay ndlela kubuya ngakhona le ngaphandle, it's best for me, I'm better off even in this relationship. Maybe she is better off, guys, because I mean she is, now that Vilkas is gone, which automatically makes her number 2. You know, number 2 is better off than going out there starting from fresh, guys, with someone uyofola any line and maybe you are number 5 or number 7 kwazi bani. Hey guys, been saved ilanga ngaphandle, but anyway, hey, now I will tell you guys, or I would rather advise you guys, don't settle. Don't settle. Yes, they say each and every pot has its own lead. You guys don't settle for a relationship in the name Yoguti. You're running back to your relationship just because Gubi, and then you're remembering what the good that you had. But even that so-called good, you know very well that you're not. This is not your ideal type of, or the ideal type of relationship you want to be in. Don't settle just because please. Kampane, see for many WhatsApp group, and then we send one another motivational quotes, guys. There's more to life than umjolo, guys. There's more to life. Kha abanye bethu ke ndizifake nami, abanye bethu sizithandela amadoda. Abanye bethu sithi slogan sethu nje ba andifuni i-happiness engenanduda. Anyway, guys, please do like the video. Please do tell me what you think about it. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you at the next one.